Hello, my fellow Kiwi creative professionals. I'm going to be in Auckland soon, and I'm hosting an in-person version of the Crafting a Personal Brand workshop just for you. This is a workshop designed to help you grow in your creative career in whatever way that looks like to you. Maybe it's going for a promotion, finding a new job, perhaps it's going out on your own as a freelancer or getting more clients if you're already freelancing. Whatever your goal is, I know that your reputation as a creative professional plays a huge part in getting there. And your reputation is your personal brand. In this workshop, I take you through my framework for figuring out what it is you actually want to be known for, taking a look at what perception you might have built up right now based on what you've been putting out there, how you've been operating, and then taking steps to align your reputation with what you want to be known for. This is something that's within our control, and I know that my personal brand, my reputation has played a large part in landing a ton of opportunities in my career, including helping me end up where I am today, working remote as a creative director for a remote tech company with one of those sweet six-figure salaries. That was a goal of mine, and I really want to help you achieve your goals too. This workshop will be hosted at the beautiful Mackenzie studios on Sunday, April 14th from 2:30 to 6 p.m. So we're going to have a whole afternoon together to really dive deep. I'm going to be able to give you a ton of one-on-one attention. And as a special bonus, there's going to be an event photographer there taking pictures of the workshop, and we'll even make time to make sure that she can grab some new headshots, some new profile images of you that represent who you want to be known for, that represent your personal brand, so that you can start using them on your social media, your LinkedIn, wherever is relevant for you. Tickets are on sale now, and you can get them at the link in the description. Growing up in New Zealand, starting my career in New Zealand, I definitely know the impact that tall poppy syndrome can play on us. It's very much a part of the New Zealand culture, and quite frankly, it holds us back from achieving our potential. We need to be able to stand out. We need to be able to be proud of our accomplishments and to build a reputation as an expert in our field if we want opportunities to grow our careers. So if that's a reason that might be holding you back from getting a ticket and coming along, this workshop is especially for you, because that's exactly what I want to help you break free from. I'm really looking forward to getting this small group of ambitious creative professionals together in one room. I know we're going to make some magic together and make some big moves in your careers. So let's do this, and I hope I'll see you there.